Pour this onto a sanitary pad. I'm sure you've never heard of this hack before. First, grab a pad and partially unwrap it. Then, take your favorite fabric softener and evenly pour it onto the pad. Remove the protective strip and stick the pad to the back of the toilet bowl where it won't be seen. This simple trick naturally freshens your bathroom and effectively neutralizes unpleasant odors. Give it a try. Light up some cinnamon. It's the secret of millionaires. In their homes, you can feel an extraordinary energy and the scent of wealth. And the method is very simple. Start by preparing bay leaves. They have their characteristic spicy scent. Crush them into a small bowl. They help to get rid of unpleasant odors in the home. Additionally, the scent of bay leaves repels insects. But bay leaves also have a calming effect. They eliminate stress and tension. Sprinkle a few tablespoons of salt on the leaves. Salt is the best product for perfuming interiors. Fragrances made with salt as a base are natural and long-lasting. But that's not all. Add cloves. Their scent improves mood and well-being. Few people know that they add positive energy and motivation. Sprinkle cloves with salt. Salt enhances the aroma of spices. Additionally, use your favorite fabric softener. The scent of bay leaves and cloves, although positively affecting us, does not have as intense a fragrance as fabric softener. Pour the cap and pour it over the salt in the bowl. Take cinnamon sticks and insert them into the container filled with spices and salt. Hotels and spa salons often use this trick to create an exceptionally rich scent and aroma. Light the cinnamon with a lighter or matches. Just light them a little to extract the best from this homemade diffuser. The extraordinary scent and positive energy that the spices used in it provide. Cut the sanitary pad with scissors. This trick will save you a lot of money. The first product you need is a sanitary pad. Start by partially unwrapping it. Then, take your favorite perfume. All you have to do now is spray it with the perfume. Wait a moment. Then, cut the pad into smaller pieces. Stick these pieces in different places in your car. This will help the beautiful scent last longer in your car. Stick them in visible spots for a stronger fragrance, or hide them in the glove compartment for a more subtle scent. This quick and easy trick will make your car smell like your favorite perfume for a long time. This will save you from moths. Take a wet baby wipe and place it on a board. Then, grab some rice grains, as rice is a great scent carrier and absorbs moisture, preventing mold in your closet. Place a spoonful of rice on the wipe and choose your favorite perfume or essential oils. Spray the rice grains with the scent. Fold the wipe over the rice and tie the ends with string or a rubber band, creating a small scented pouch. Repeat the trick with different scents to create a variety of aromas for your closet. Place these small pouches in your wardrobe, on shelves, or in drawers. They will protect your clothes from moths, and the lovely fragrance will last for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace the pouches with new ones to keep your wardrobe fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your closet. My home smells wonderful, and everyone asks for my secret. This beautiful scent fills the entire house. Most people buy scented sachets from stores, but they only last a few days. It's much better to try this trick with a small box. First, find a small plastic container with a lid. Pour 4 tablespoons of rice into the container to enhance the scent. Then add 2½ caps of fabric softener. Mix everything thoroughly to create a uniform mixture. Next, take a heated fork or skewer and poke several holes in the lid. Try to make as many holes as possible. These holes will allow the beautiful scent to escape over a long period. You can place this box anywhere, in your coat or shoe closet to freshen the smell. You can easily make another box for a different room and place it wherever you want. This delightful fragrance will be noticeable throughout your home. is your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing.